Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe at your home. Our today's topic is laws of exponents from chapter 2 Exponents and Powers of ML Agrawal. So let's start from first law. Our first law is a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m plus n. Okay, here a is base and mn are exponents. When base is same and you are going to multiply, then power will be add, exponents will be add, just like this, a raised to power m plus n. Okay, we understand by the example. Let us consider 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power minus 2. Okay, here you can see base are same and you are going to multiply, so we will add both the exponents, 3 plus minus 2. Okay, plus minus minus, it will be 2 raised to power 1 means 2. Okay, now second law of exponent is e raised to power m divided by e raised to power n, means we can write it just like this, e raised to power n divided by e raised to power n. When base are same and exponents are different and you are going to be divide, then power will be subtracted, a raised to power m minus n. Okay, we understand by the example, 4 by 5 raised to power 3 divided by 4 by 5 raised to power 2. Here you can see these are same base and you are going to divide, then power will be subtracted, means 3 minus 2, it will be 1. 4 by 5 raised to power 1 means 4 by 5. Okay, there are a small bit difference between these two laws, only of the sign. If you are going to multiply, it will be exponents will be added, and if you are going to divide, then exponent will be subtracted. Remember this, base should be same. Okay, now third law. Third law is a raised to power m raised to power n, means power to power. In this law, power to power is multiplied. Okay, when just like this, we understand by the example 2 raised to power 3 and raised to power 3. Here you will multiply power to power, means 3 2s are 6, 2 raised to power 6. We can open it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 64 is the answer. Okay, just like this you will do. Now fourth law is here, when base is different and it is in multiplied, okay, and power is same, power is m, okay, then it will be converted into just like this, a raised to power m into b raised to power m. Yani fourth law is ab raised to power m is equals to a raised to power m into b raised to power m. Okay, so we understand by the example it 4 into 5, then there is no sign between these two terms, we can consider multiply. Okay, so 4 into 5 raised to power 2, we can open it 4 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 2 according to this law. 4 4 is 16 and 5 5 is 25. We will multiply it, we get 400. Okay, now fifth law of exponent is here, a by b, a divided by b raised to power n, then we can open it as a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m. Okay, we understand by the example, 2 by 3 raised to power 2, that is equals to, we can open 2 raised to power 2 divided by 3 raised to power 2. Okay, 2 raised to power 2 means 4 and 3 raised to power 2, yani 3 square is 9. So 4 by 9 is here. Sixth law says that if an integer raised to power 0 is equals to 1, means if any integer having power 0, having exponent 0, that is equals to 1. Okay, we understand by the example, 3 raised to power 0 is 1, or you can say 1 by 2 raised to power 0, then it will also be 1. Okay, of if we can say x raised to power 0, then it is also 1. Okay, so I hope You all understand all laws of exponents? Thank you, class.